Hello everyone, my name is Jude and today I'm going to be talking about a topic called hydrocarbon reaction. Hydrocarbon reaction. Alright, before I proceed to talk more about the hydrocarbon reaction, I would like to emphasize on this because I want you guys to get acquainted with what hydrocarbon is before we talk about the reaction the chemical reaction. So hydrocarbon is organic compound. Hold on. Hydrocarbon is an organic compound. Organic compound. I hope you all understand what organic compound is. I just explain it a little bit if you don't know. But hydrocarbon is an organic compound that contains only hydrogen and carbon. Okay. So hydrocarbon is an organic compound that contains only hydrogen and carbon. And few examples of hydrocarbon that contains only hydrogen and carbon will be methane. Methane has 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. And the chemical formula for it would be C and H in 4 places. And you see that? And basically this is the simplest hydrocarbon in most of the examples that we have. So I have another example, which is ethane. Ethane is a C2H6, which is double carbon and 6 hydrogen. All right, so I'm gonna erase this part so I'll have a little space to write. So far so good. We already known some of the examples, which is the methane and the ethane. So I'm gonna talk about the third one, which is propane. Propane is basically C3H8. C3H8, and the way to write it will be 3 C's and H on the side. So if you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the hydrogen surrounding this carbon will give you C3H8, which is the propane. So now I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you all what hydrocarbon reaction is. So basically, hydrocarbon reaction is a chemical reaction where a hydrogen carbon reacts with oxygen to create carbon dioxide, water, and heat. So the general formula for hydrocarbon is CnH2n plus 2. So let's say hydrocarbon reaction is a chemical reaction where a hydrocarbon, which is this, react with oxygen O2 to create it's going to react with oxygen to create It's going to react with oxygen to create carbon dioxide. I'm sorry about that. CO2 plus water.